MarketPresso 3.0 is a digital product. Now, I'll share my honest opinion about this product. If you're interested to buy this product, then read my review to learn more about it. Features: your marketplace will run on your own domain with your custom branding and will create your authority instantly whenever you share the link with anyone. This will help develop immediate trust amongst your clients and builds your status and authority as a business owner rather than being a simple freelancer selling on Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Customers will feel supremely confident in buying from you rather than any normal freelancer, allowing you to charge more, keep more and generate maximum amount of profits as quickly as possible. Clearly, MarketPresso 3.0 will make you more money than anything else on the planet by letting you sell all the services that you have to offer. Easily create a marketplace for any services you have to offer: landing page funnel building, graphic designing, video marketing, video creation, content writing, online marketing, voiceover, copywriting, audio editing, concept building, web development, consultation, stock collection, translation, SEO, Facebook ads, ebooks, digital marketing services, gaming, chatbots. For literally everything, you can create your own personalized branded marketplace. Set your charges as per your work time per hour or minute or second. Number of words, duration of script, fixed price, flexible price, no. Of units, set your own variables XX price per EI variable. Freelancing is the fastest growing industry on the planet, sitting at $1 trillion. It contributes almost 5% of the overall U.S. economy, more than the construction and transportation industry. It is being the only freelance marketplace builder on the planet will give you the exact powerful cutting edge over any other freelancer. Customers will feel supremely confident in buying from you rather than any normal freelancer, allowing you to charge more, keep more and generate maximum amount of profits as possible. Key differentiation that puts MarketPresso 3.0 ahead of any freelancing site: sell with zero competition. Unlike Fiverr, Upwork, where there are thousands of sellers in every niche and many of them with better reviews, you will sell in your marketplace with zero competition. Get buyers' details. The famous freelancing websites never share the buyer details with you, hence always keeping you dependent on them for the orders. In other words, you are building their business, not your business. With your own marketplace, you will own the buyer's list. I am sure you must have heard that money is in the list. This simple scene will keep on bringing recurring orders for you. Get started with 0% fees, keep 100% profits. Fiverr, Upwork charges you 20% fees per sale. Over here you will get started at 0% fees. We will start charging you 1% fees per sale only after you have crossed orders worth $5,000 using our platform. MarketPresso 3.0 is exactly what you need right now during the current unfortunate circumstances because of COVID-19. Half of the world is in lockdown, and this is where it will serve you the most. It will help you make more money than ever before by providing you your own personalized platform and letting you sell all the services that you have to offer. You will be able to sell your services from the comfort of your home. It is a one-stop platform for selling all your services. You don't need anything else other than it to scale your business and revenue. It is exactly what you need right now. You would have realized the importance of being able to earn income from home, and it will help you achieve exactly that. It is the exact product that you need right now. Frequently asked questions: how exactly will MarketPresso 3.0 help me? It will help you scale your revenue by helping you sell more services and get recurring clients. Your own services marketplace will help you stand out from normal freelancers and service providers. This will build instant trust amongst your potential clients and makes you the go-to person for the services that you are offering. Clients will be more inclined to work with you, pay you higher checks, and even refer you to their business friends. How will I get traffic to my marketplace? We have come up with multiple solutions for you. Number 1. We are giving you Client Finder app that finds the exact contact details of businesses all over the world just by searching for their profession. Example, real estate in London, and you will see the complete contact details of all the realtors there. Number 2, you will get FB Ads training by Forbes recognized co-founder of it, which will help you bring your business in front of thousands of clients. Number 3, you will get Getting Clients training inside the members area that will teach you how to find and convert the clients by bringing them to your marketplace. For how long is the discount available for grabbing MarketPresso 3.0 license? We are running the special launch which will end on 14th May 2020. After the launch, the price will shoot to $97 and then it will become recurring in a month's time. In between the launch, there will be multiple price jumps. So it's better to grab it when you are looking at it because the price might be higher the next time. For how much your competitors are selling, this is world's first ever marketplace builder. So we don't have any competition. The upside of this is that private marketplaces have never existed before, and you will be one of the first ones to create your very own marketplace, which will help you build authority instantly. Why shouldn't I simply list my services on Fiverr, Upwork, and all the other platforms? I would say that those platforms are great, and keep your services listed over there as well. Why to miss any additional orders? I am an optimist, but there are some huge advantages when you sell on your own marketplace. You don't need to pay 20% fees to those platforms. Sell without competition. There will be no competition and revalues war with other sellers, and the biggest reason is you will own the buyer's list. This makes your business self-dependent and not something that is always dependent on them for the orders. You can charge higher prices because you don't need to lower your price because of the other competitors selling on those platforms.